Hi, I'm Kasambi Kinston, Group ECD at DDB Melbourne.
I'm Becky Morris and I'm a Senior Art Director at DDB Melbourne.
I'm Giles Watson, Creative Director at DDB.
And I'm Stephen Wolf, the National Chief Creative Officer of DDB.
DDB Group worldwide is one of the largest advertising networks in the world and has a large presence here in Australia and has done for the last 80 plus years. So DDB's approach to the RIGG Design Prize, we believe fundamentally in the power of creativity to grow businesses.
The campaign's message is quite simple, that creativity is Australia's greatest natural resource and we really need to start investing in it.
We decided to create an idea that would actually live on outside of the gallery walls.
We partnered with Jardine Investment Company and we've created the Creative Index.
There's no tangible way to actually say creativity is worth X until now.
The Creative Index is the first time ever that you can see the value of creativity in industries or businesses or ideas that aren't necessarily considered what we used to think of as creative.
So for a company to be eligible for the Creative Index, we didn't decide that here, but actually that's where we used the deep knowledge of our financial partner, Jardine. They looked at every company on the ASX. Any company that meet their very stringent criteria were then accepted into the Creative Index.
Creativity is essentially problem solving at its heart a lot of the time. What's powering this index shows where creativity turns up in different industries and different businesses that even people like us didn't imagine were possible.
Looking at the Creative Index versus other companies that don't necessarily run creativity is see how much creative companies outperform those that don't.
The most compelling bit is where this goes. So this is a launch moment for the index, but then there's the opportunity to keep powering that as companies want to become part of the index to prove their creative worth. So I think the long tail of this is where this gets pretty exciting.